Tsekeleke, Dumi Masilela, Makgatho. 3 South African celebs died in 1 week. A dark cloud has been hovering over South Africa in recent days. Over a period of 7 days, South Africa mourned 3 celebrities who died. Quinton star, Tsekeleke died on 1 August from a long suffering with diabetes. Tsekeleke spent the last 2 months in hospital, and it was during this time that he said the pain was too much. He had a 4th amputation on Monday, and it was to be his final one. Second Rhythm City star Dumi Masilela shocked the nation when he was killed in an attempted hijacking. Masilela, 29, was with a friend in a white Golf 7 in Tembisa when they were approached by a black Jeep on Wednesday evening. The Jeep's 2 occupants apparently tried to hijack them. Masilela drove away and the hijackers opened fire on the vehicle. Lastly, the family of Makgatho confirmed on Monday morning that the veteran actress had died after complications from a fall in July. Minister of Arts and Culture Zodwa took to Twitter to extend his condolences to her family. "I'd like to extend my heartfelt condolences to the loved ones of veteran actress and my dear friend Makgatho, who has sadly passed on," he said.